bit big for you. Your little collar's a bit big. Maggie. Hi, Maggie. Look who's that.
He wants to keep up.
Yes, but there's somebody else.
Get out from under there. Come on. Get it tangled around your foot. Yeah. Hey, Max.
Hey. Finally. Yay. You can all play. You can all play.
Here, Max. Good girl. Oops, careful. Don't step on somebody. Oops.
You just don't like those collars. No, but you have to learn. But I think we could take the leashes off soon. Yeah.